There's Dave and I getting started on our Sioux-Hustler Trail hiking trip. As you can see, probably the mosquitoes are plentiful. I mean, beyond plentiful, actually. It's pretty crazy. They've had inches of rain the last day and a half or so, and it's still raining a little bit. And maybe put my hand out here, you can see all the mosquitoes. They just are just a swarming. But anyway, still raining a little bit, but it's supposed to only get better from here for the rest of the week. Here's the entry point. No other cars in the lot. Hey Dave, what was that the ranger asked us?
You did bring bug spray, right? Yeah.
There's a couple.
That bad, huh?
Oh man, I can't hardly hold the camera without getting covered with them. Gonna have to break out the bug spray, I suppose. All right, well, let's hope for less rain and get started. Start walking at 3:11 p.m. Kind of waiting for the heavy rain to be over. That's the strategy anyway. Just get a late start and walk later. Camp somewhere. Yeah. We're there yet?
Hey, bugs are better.
They are better here. They probably figured nobody's crazy enough to walk this trail in the rain. They're not gonna hurt you or your chicks. She's leading us away from them. Sounds like a dog. Yeah, it's raining out here. Yeah, it scared me pretty good. This is kind of a pretty woods here. On the way out, maybe it'll be a little nicer. And there are a couple of mosquitoes. Look at my hand. That's just crazy. Oh, they logged over there. We haven't crossed the boundary waters boundary yet.
I was wondering if they have a sign for it.
Yeah, I remember. Alright. Okay, interesting. Goes into this cutover. Much lighter in here, but oh, wow, that's crazy. We're here at the Elm Portage, opposite side of the river. Stopping here in this spot. It's been pouring rain for about an hour. Getting pretty wet. Pretty good hill to climb there too. Pretty nice falls there. You stop and the mosquitoes just get crazy. Just pretty epic mosquitoes. Pack cover seems to be holding up. Found out you can't really enclose the pack very well with it. It still kind of comes in the side, especially where your back is. And as hard as it's been raining here, you kind of see, maybe my hand will help show the, kind of underneath some cedar trees to help, but it's not helping all that much. Well, it's about 3 miles, right? 3 1/4, 3 1/8, something like that. Pretty wet. The intersection of the trail loop going this way towards Shell Lake, going counterclockwise. Or this way to go clockwise toward Devil's Cascade. Can't hold still very well. The mosquitoes are pretty ferocious right now. But a little sun poked through the sky finally. Dave's checking the GPS to see how far it is so he can maybe decide what the best.
Mark this point.
Oh, there you go. Good idea.
Should know where to get back to the loop.